Hello and welcome to my channel English Academy. Today I'm going to make a video on the introduction that if you want to take introduction to anyone, so these questions is really helpful for you to ask to anyone. So let's see what kind of question is this. If I miss something, so please comment me in my comment section, and then I will also take these sentences in my next video. So let's start my video. So these are some important questions which is regarding for the introduction to anyone. Hope you like these questions, but before started, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. What is your name? Who are you? Please. How old are you? What is your father name? What is your mother name? What does your father do? Do you have a joint family? How many brothers and sisters you have? What is your hobbies? What do you like in yourself? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite sports? In which class do you study? What is your favorite subject? What sport do you like? What is your favorite personality? What do you want to be? Do you like to play outside or indoor? Do you like fast food? Do you like listening to songs? Who is your best friend? So guys, these are some small questions which you ask to anyone for knowing about something. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel, and if I miss something, please tell to me in my comment section. Hope you like my video. Thank you so much.